So let us discuss second colligative property, that is elevation in boiling point. Elevation in boiling point. See here, elevation in boiling point is represented with delta TB. Delta TB. You know that delta is the difference, T is temperature, B refers for boiling point. Okay. So now let us discuss in detail about this property. First of all, we know that this is a colligative property. This is a colligative property. Before going through elevation in boiling point, let us know the definition for boiling point. Let us see what is boiling point. Boiling point. See here, boiling point can be defined as the temperature at which liquid starts to boil. Liquid starts to boil. Okay, that is said to be boiling point. So now let us see here with an illustration. If you boil if you boil a pure solvent or any liquid or any solution at a particular temperature, it starts to escape from the container. First it gets boiled and then it starts to escape from the container. Let us see H2O as example. H2O. Okay. So see here, H2O vaporizes at 100 degrees centigrade. That means H2O starts to boil. H2O starts to boil at 100 degree centigrade. Okay. So this is said to be boiling point of H2O. Okay. So if you take only water, if you take only H2O, that is said to be pure solvent. Okay. So let us see the boiling point of a pure solvent is TB1. It is equal to 100 degrees centigrade for water. Okay. So now, if you add a non-volatile solute, the boiling point of water will be increased. The boiling point of water will be increased. So that might be TB2. It is equal to 100.5 degrees centigrade. 100.5 degree centigrade. Okay, because of non-volatile solute. What will do the non-volatile solute means, before adding non-volatile solute, all are H2O molecules in the container. All are H2O molecules in the container. After adding non-volatile solute B, the intermolecular attractions will be exist. So the temperature required to boil will be more. Okay. So here this is to be considered as TB2. Okay. For water it might be based on the non-volatile solute you are adding and based on the amount of non-volatile solute you are adding, it will be 100.5 like that. I have taken this figure roughly, okay, degree centigrade. Okay, because of non-volatile solute, what happened here? The temperature is rising here. That is said to be elevation. That is said to be elevation. Okay, so now the elevation in boiling point can be represented like this. Delta Tb is equal to Tb2 minus Tb1. Delta Tb is equal to Tb2 minus Tb1. Okay, now how can define elevation in boiling point? Delta Tb can be defined as increase in boiling point, increasing boiling point of pure solvent due to addition of, is it clear? Due to addition of non-volatile solute. Non-volatile solute. Okay. Elevation in boiling point delta Tb can be defined as increase in boiling point of pure solvent due to addition of non-volatile solute. అంటే ఒక non-volatile solute ని యాడ్ చేసినందువల్ల బాయిలింగ్ పాయింట్ లో ఉండేటటువంటి పెరుగుదలను ఏమంటారంటే ఎలివేషన్ ఇన్ బాయిలింగ్ పాయింట్ అంటారు. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ colligative property. The magnitude of this colligative property increases or changes with the quantity of the non-volatile solute added. Is it clear? Thank you.